Good morning all of you. Ashok Kumar Misra. Today going to continue with the revision of 4th chapter class 7 log on to animate CC. In this chapter we are first discussing the recap of this chapter. Recapping is animate is a powerful animation software package developed by the Adobe system. एंड द स्टेज इज ए ड्राइंग बोर्ड. स्टेज एक ड्राइंग बोर्ड की तरह होता है वेयर वी कैन क्रिएट ग्राफिक्स, जहां हम ग्राफिक्स क्रिएट कर सकते हैं, एनिमेशन क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड मेक मॉडिफिकेशन, और किसी तरह का मॉडिफिकेशन जो है वो यहां कर सकते हैं. डिफॉल्ट स्टेज साइज इज 550 into 400 पिक्सल एंड द मेजर कंपोनेंट ऑफ द टाइमलाइन आर द लेयर, फ्रेम एंड प्ले हेड. अगर हमसे ये कोई पूछे कि लेयर क्या है, तो लेयर एक कंपोनेंट्स है टाइमलाइन का. एंड फ्रेम आर द लिटिल रेक्टेंगल सेल्स दैट अपीयर ऑन द टाइमलाइन. दे डिस्प्ले द कंटेंट्स ऑफ अ मूवी एट ए स्पेसिफिक मूवमेंट ऑफ टाइम. एंड की फ्रेम आर द स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ फ्रेम वेयर वी डिफाइन सम चेंजेस टू एन ऑब्जेक्ट प्रॉपर्टी फॉर एन animation like position, color, shape, etc. Playhead is represented a red frame and red vertical line below it in the timeline. It indicates that the current frame displayed on the stage. It moves from left to right as the movie is played. And the library panel in animate act as a storehouse. Library panel एक storehouse के रूप में काम करता है where symbol created in animate are stored in a organized manner. Animation involve a series of a still image, usually painted or sketched, displayed in the rapid sequence. And tint twinning is used to change the color of an object. And filter allow you to add interesting visual effect to the text, button and movie clips. And fill in the blanks. First question: Animate is a dash software package developed by the Adobe. Answer is Animate is a powerful animation software package developed by the Adobe system. Second, fill in the blank. The workshop is or arrangement of various animate elements such as the tools panels, control panel, property inspector and stage. And third, the stage is the large white space that is seen at the center of the workspace. Fourth, the gray area surrounding the stage is called work area, and the timeline in the area where one control the sequencing and timing of graphics of movie. And sixth question, the layer are like a transparent sheet stacked on the top of one another, each containing the different image that appears on the stage. These are the fill in the blanks of the chapter 4. And now revision of true false. First question: shortcut key is to import a picture is Ctrl+G. False. Second question: the radial gradient changes color in the circular outward direction is true. Direction starting from the focal point is true. And in twinned animation, we can change the content of every frame to create the animation. Statement is false. Fourth, the tool section consists of tools that are used for drawing, painting and selecting the object is true. And fifth, to select multiple objects using the selection tools, hold the control key. Clicking on the object is false. And the default stage size is 550 into 400 pixel. Statement is true. And now MCQ. What are the little rectangle cells that appear on the timeline is called frame? Which one of the following shortcut key is used to insert a frame? Statement is answer is F5. Which shortcut key do you use to display the document setting dialog box? Ctrl+J. And which panel act as a storehouse of the symbol in the animate library panel? Which shortcut key is used to play the animation in the animate? Ctrl+Enter. And sixth question: what is the file extension of the animate? Answer is .FLA. These are the MCQ question of the chapter 4. And the next class I will continue with the question of this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.